Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is touch kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐡. Advanced sensor, accurately turn on off the faucet. The induction time is 20 milliseconds, environmental protection and water saving. Double outlet water pull-down spray, easily switch between spray and steam mode, bringing greater convenience to kitchen cleaning. Easy to install and maintain, everything you need is in one box, easy to complete DIY, excellent corrosion resistance and rust resistance, can prevent dirt from sticking to the faucet surface, just use a clean cloth faucet is enough. Style, kitchen faucet. Valve, ceramic valve. Water mode, flow/spray. Water function, mixing hot and cold. Installation type, single hole. Total height, 19.25 inches. Spout height, 4.84 inches. Spout reach, 8.30 inches. Net weight, 6.61 pounds. Gross weight, 7.07 pounds. Package dimensions 25.78 x 11.81 x 2.95 inches. Color matte black. Style contemporary. Material stainless steel. Installation method surface mounted. Flow rate 1.8 gallons per minute. Number of holes 1. Flush type stream/spray/pause. Handle/lever placement right. Number of handles 1. Handle material metal. Switch style toggle. About home garden guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐡.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐡 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐡 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via DoloresJMoniz12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.